horizontal grinding. This is where belts go to die. That's got for Wessex Blades. So you get your brand new ceramic belts. There's a life expectancy to them, but there's also a role that they play. When they're brand new, stock removal's great, but when they start going past about half their life, they need to go to horizontal grinding, because what happens is, if you have a look, because I flipped the grinder over 90 degrees, the belt is now travelling that way instead of that way. So instead of addressing the blade as you do like this, and you're grinding away the ends, the fronts, the sides and all the rest of it, what I'm doing now is I'm putting the entire spines and bellies on the blade, and it doesn't move really. So you end up, can you see those little white lines and trenches? That now is not much use for doing accurate bevels, the finishing stages of knife handles. You could chunk off corners and stuff with a blade, with a belt like that, that's fine. But once they've gone past half their life, you use your belts then to doing this. So I've gone through all my belts, and the ones that are like mosquito, and the ones that are gone past that chewy, gnarly stage, and now they're sort of glazed over ever so slightly, they've lost the peaks and the highs of it, go to horizontal, and then this is where belts literally go to die, because that's going to be in the same spot. When you first use it, you can go up and down with your hand like that, but let's just kill this belt, shall we? Wessex Blades pearly words. If you've got a piece of phenolic or hardwood, you can always put it on your work vest, clamp it, and when you put your blade on there, you wear a different part of the belt. Ergo, you get more life out of your already knackered belt. I think I got it. There's been a couple of changes as I've gone along. the sweep has changed. I wanted a more of a classic Skinner looking knife, and rather than using stock removal against the grinder that way to form the shape, I've held it on longer and gradually worked the belly up and in, so now it's got narrower. So I've started on 8 degrees to see how we go. Obviously chance to go leaner or more obtuse, whichever way it's going. So I just want to dress a micro convex on there second and see how well it cuts. So I'm going to let this sit down for a bit whilst I grind the rest of the batch, and we can catch up with that later. But the fox taker seems to be evolving nicely. Just took a lovely micro bevel, see it in the light there. I tidied up the sort of butt end there, I find. Sort of nice tidy plunge lines, and very happy with this. Very happy. Right, we'll catch up with that the next time. But I say I've got a lot more angle stuff, so the Goloks, the Leuku, the 2 Merlins, and the Golok. Thanks for dropping in again. Huge big thanks to Patreons. Without your help this would be a very, very trialy thing doing all these videos. So big thanks to the Patreons for backing me up on these videos. Thanks for your support. Fox Taker looks like it's doing great. And see you on the next one. Looking forward to the prepper meet. Who's going? You going? You know you want to.